So here we are at Buffalo Crossing. We're located at the intersection of Highway 16 and Catron Boulevard, one of the busiest intersections that we have in Rapid City, one of our fastest growing and developing intersections. With the changes that have been made through the downtown corridor and off of the interstate, this is now our new main tourism route into the Black Hills. We're just a stone's throw away from Mount Rushmore, from Custer State Park, and right on the access to all of those great locations. This site started as the water slides property. So most people that are familiar with Rapid City, they'll remember the water slides. The water slides were in disrepair. They had been shut down for a few years. So we came back in and we looked at this property and we kind of reimagined what it could be. And with that, we looked at, what and how can we best access this with what we have off of Catron? What can we do with Highway 16? We worked with the DOT, the South Dakota Department of Transportation, to see what their needs were on this intersection. And what we determined is that we needed new access roads. We needed to work on closing entrances and opening new entrances to provide the most safe access to this site that we could. So we put in brand new signals, brand new roads. We built back access streets so that we could have commercial facing property along Catron Boulevard and Highway 16 while still preserving the safety of the vehicles that are driving by. We also took a look at the property and obviously with the water slides we had a 70-foot high mountain in the middle of this thing. So one of the very first things we had to do was come in and move 300,000 yards of material. And with that, we laid out a master plan for mixed use with the commercial along the busy intersections, transitioning back into single-family residential. We're here right now on Addison Street, which is the last of our single-family residential that we have on Buffalo Crossing South. The entire rest of the property has been developed out. We've got one more spot for office commercial / MDR apartment or offices with just absolutely gorgeous views. The entire project was financed through a TIF. We had unusual costs for extending these streets where no streets existed before. We had the new intersections and then we had the realignment and the turning lanes coming onto and off of Catron. Our homes in this neighborhood go anywhere from $500,000 duplexes right to the $300,000 single-family homes behind me. We also have a mixture of commercial businesses. We have a brand new holiday station. We've got the regional orthopedic medicine, the brand new sports facility that the Monument Health had built up and put together. And so as we've worked to get to this point here with all of these new businesses, these established businesses that have expanded into this area, now we're looking to move further out. So we've established the infrastructure that's going to let us spread out from this area and continue to develop in the different directions and continue to grow Rapid City.